Fabricate allows you to quickly generate synthetic data for any database. To get started, give your database a name, select the target platform, and paste in the SQL DDL script used to create your empty database. Fabricate uses AI to determine what type of data to generate for each column and to derive the relationships between tables. Here you can see a preview of the customers table. In most cases, Fabricate will pick the right settings for each column, but if you need to change anything, just click this icon. Once you're happy with the settings, you can generate a full version of your database by clicking here. You can download your database as SQL, CSV, JSON lines, or you can push it directly to a target database by filling out the connection parameters here. Sign up for your free account today at fabricate.tonic.ai.